Hi, guys and girls. What are we going to talk about today? First of all, en premier, we are going to work in Unit 2, Lesson 5. So, Unit 2, Lesson 5. Our goal. What are we learning today? We are learning to ask, demander, and answer, répondre, questions about people's characteristics. Nous apprenons à demander et à répondre à des questions à propos des caractéristiques physiques. A little refresher. Match the two statements with the correct picture. I have, j'ai, dark eyebrows. Yes, that's the first one. Dark eyebrows. Des sourcils foncés. I don't have glasses. Yes, indeed. Glasses are lunettes. Great. I remind you, if you have a hard time with the physical characteristics, you can always go back to What's New This Week in Grade 3, and at Week 11, or next year it could be at a different week, you have a video of me pronouncing every single one, and you also have a learning sheet you can use. Why not? Let's go back to page 21. Now, first of all, there's something new to learn here. So, how to ask yes or no questions using do or does. So, let's talk about it, or let's watch something together. Now that we know how to ask yes or no questions using do, let's continue with exercise number 13. Read, lire the texts in activity 11 again, encore une fois. Then write, ensuite écrire. Activity 11, the two texts. So you read them again. Read the texts in Activity 11 again. Then write. Finally, it is answer the questions. Does Roxanne have brown hair? And you answer. If you do not remember how to answer a yes or no questions using do, use the examples up here. So, yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, he or she does. No, he or she doesn't. So you can use those. Does Olivia have glasses? Does Dan have green eyes? And finally, does Robert have glasses? Now it's time to answer those questions. Hey, you're doing great. Let's go. Now, let's go with exercise 14. Create a character. Créer un personnage. Describe, décrire. Describe it to a friend. Then, ensuite, draw, dessiner your friend's character. So, first part, you work alone. And you create a character in your mind, in your head. So, your character will have dark eyebrows, a short beard, gray hair, glasses, etc. And you add more characteristics. And some characteristics your character doesn't have. Then, and only then, once you have completed this, so la première partie, c'est seul. On remplit ça ici avec des caractéristiques que votre personnage a et des caractéristiques que votre personnage n'a pas. Et une fois que vous avez terminé de remplir ceci, then and only then, you can team up, work as a pair, two people, and you will read this to your friend out loud, and your friend will draw your character. So, une fois que vous êtes en équipe, uniquement après avoir complété cette première partie, vous allez lire à haute voix les caractéristiques de votre personnage et votre collègue va dessiner dans son cahier à quoi il pense que votre personnage ressemble. So, first step, you fill up this. Second step, you pair up and you draw your friend's character. You're doing great.